programs here. That's what session app 1. Next, select, finish. See, this procedure is same every day. Yeah, Glassfish is an application server. Like, see, concentrate on subject. This type of questions later you can ask, no? End of the session you can ask, no? Again and again if you ask also, you will not concentrate on this one. End of the session you can ask. Better, no? See, right click on this. See, right click on this. New solid. Otherwise, new class also you can take. New class also works. Some package name session. Class name something session solid. I'll write session solid. Next. Session solid. Here only one solid I'm writing. That's what. Okay, you can continue with this one also. Next. By default, get type request comes. So I'll remove post. Click on finish. Now, whatever you don't want, you can remove. Even if you place also, nothing will happen. Those are okay. Only this one I'll remove. I'll continue here. You observe. First of all, we record HTTP session reference. We have to call this method. We'll get a HTTP session. Now, if you want to call this method, HTTP solid request required. That already we have. So you can go there. Here, already HTTP solid request we have. Now with that we can do it. So return type HTTP session something HS equal to request dot get session. See, request dot get session. This is session. We got it. Then session ID created. If you want to display, if you want to call, you can do it. First print writer required. If you want to print, print writer pw equal to response dot get writer. Okay. After this, with this pw dot println. Now first with this HS, you can call the methods. So first I want to get ID. This method I want to call. Return type is string. So what you can do is return type is string. String s equal to hs dot get ID. That's it. You can print pw dot println. Yes. Okay. Now pw dot println get s. Session ID printed. Just I want to concatenate here to display message. What I want is like this. I want to display like a session ID. Like this. Session ID display. Like this only. Some other. When session created. When last accessed. This is all I want to call. Get creation time. It returns long. Get creation time. So long L equal to hs dot get creation time. That time return, but time long format return. That is the reason. Date d equal to new date. You can pass L. Then you'll get a time. Complete date and time, everything comes. the long parameter if you pass, you get it date and time. You can print pw.println d. If you write like d reference if you pass, it will print. But here date class control shift to O. Here many date classes are there. That's what it is showing like this. Util.date. Finish. Now that is solved. You observe. Here I want to display at side creation time, session creation time. Okay, creation time. Time will display. Last accessed time. So that method, other method. You observe. Get last accessed time. Get last accessed time. I want to call this. So again, long L2. Okay, suppose this is L1. This is L1. It is L2. It is D1. D1. Like long L2 equal to HS dot get last accessed time. Okay. Now again date D2 new date L2. Now you can print pw.println here last accessed time. After that plus D2. That will be printed. So what is going to get output? Session ID comes, when it is created comes, when it is last accessed comes. Like one more, here methods are then I've shown methods. Here get max inactive interval. Get max inactive interval. Now see, get max inactive interval. What is returning? Get max inactive interval returning integer. Now integer sum x equal to hs dot get max inactive interval. This is we can print pw.println session time interval. Time interval is plus that x plus minutes. Sorry, integer format comes no seconds. Seconds. It shows 30 minutes by default will be there. 30 minutes by default means 30 into 60. 1800 seconds comes. Time interval is default 1800 seconds. For this, if you want to add HTML code, you can add pw.println HTML body bg color, suppose yellow, text color, suppose blue, like complete level 1 heading. Okay. At last, pw.println level 1 heading close, body close, HTML close. Okay. But whenever you add HTML, if you want to display next line, we have to go for either /n inside. Otherwise, we have to go for line break. Line break you have to use. /n also will not work. /n means string. It is for works like that also. Otherwise, here plus line break. Line break. You can add. This println doesn't work. Reason, the println server to browser, it will pass one by one. Server to browser, one by one password. Line break, line break, line break. Enough. Last one not required. This program, you observe. If I run, right click, run as, run on server, save. Next, finish. Server is going to start. After that, browser will be opened outside. Here, session app 1. Now I given session servlet. Session servlet. Default URL pattern I given. See what is the session ID coming? You observe. Turn off your videos. Turn off your videos, Pranay. Now session ID. See default. This is session ID created. See alphanumeric mixed. Alphanumeric. See this is session ID. When session created. Thursday, August 12, time 8:11:44. Okay. When last accessed, same time, last accessed. Time interval 1800 seconds. Suppose if I refresh, what will happen is creation time is not going to be changed. Last access time is going to be changed. You observe. If I refresh, say 11, 8:11:44. Here 8:12:38. This last access. Okay. See. If I refresh, time is going to be changed, you observe. And also you can identify here, you can identify with server management also. This is 8080. This is another port number will be there here. Suppose I'll close Eclipse. 1 minute. Admin port 80805. So port number somewhat different will be there in Eclipse. That is the reason it's not coming. Like generally 8080, right? Admin port it will be displayed outside. Now by default time interval is 1800 milliseconds. 1800 seconds. Say right click, run on server. Next, finish. Now here session solid. This is say session ID created. Here when it is created, when it is last accessed, how much time period is by default 1800 milliseconds. 1800 seconds. If you want to change, you can change. So now what we are to do is this ID is going to be created in browser memory for our program. Our program session tracking method yesterday I was seen. Yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 programs we studied. No, those programs I'll use this concept. Those programs I'll use this concept. How to use? I'll show you. Just little bit different. Same program we can change. You observe again. Say this cookies program, URL app you study. No, that type program only. One more I'll create. File, new, dynamic web project. Project name, session app 2. Session app 2. Click on next, next, generate, finish. Session app 2. Say right click here, right click, new HTML file. File name something books.html. Books.html. Next, click on finish. What I'll do is that HTML code I'll copy here. Same HTML. Whatever you studied HTML in cookies, same HTML. HTML I'll not change. This HTML, same HTML I'll copy. Copy, paste in this HTML. Session app 2. Just turn off your video, Murali. See, books.html here. I'll paste. Now, this is everything same, no change. Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, Java to complete reference, set for Java, SCJB by Kathy Sira. It is set only, everything same. Okay. HTML program is no change, as it is. Okay. Now what I'll do is HTML program as it is. Next, new solid. Like solid package, something session 1 or session 2. Now, class name, set session. Okay, like a set cookie, get cookie, set get, like that, set session. Click on next. This name, because already given set, you have to write set. In HTML program, set I given, that is the reason set. Okay, next. Now, this program also I'll copy. That's what I'll remove these all. I'll copy. Okay, finish. Now, here already set.java, get.java concepts are there. Now, like in cookie, Java, cookie, set cookie.java. This program I'll copy. Because little bit we have to change. Little bit only we have to change. A little bit we have to change. Is my voice is breaking? 2 members are asking. Is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear? Okay, clear. That is problem is your side only. You check it out. Yeah, 2 members only. 2 members means problem is your side. 2 members means problem is your side. Like at least 10 members means problem is my side. Set session. Here I'll paste. Here I'll paste. You observe. Here package name set session 1. See package name session 2. Okay, session 2. Here these all I'll remove now. It is cookie type written. Okay. Now you observe here the package name session 2. URL pattern set. Class name also set session. class name, set session. Here, this book 1, book 2, book 3, these all everything same. Okay. Now here, what we can do is HTTP session HS equal to request dot get session. Then session ID created. Here, HS dot set attribute. With set attribute, first parameter session variable. Like example B1. Here S1. Like this. HS dot set attribute. Okay. Say here HS dot set attribute. Here session ID created. For that we have to add. That means it is going to be stored in server memory B1 S1. So like this, second one. HS dot set attribute B2. After this S2. Like that only. HS dot set attribute B3 S3. So now what will be happen is it is going to be stored in server. Now book 1, book 2, book 3 all will be stored in server. All will be stored in server. After that, next hyperlink clicked, it is passed. So cookie we created like that only session creation. This is like this only session creation. Okay. Now what you can do is here you can retrieve in a get session program. See here set attribute. There get attribute you have to call. Okay. See again this program over. Next one more program. Session app 2, right click, new solid. New solid. Now you observe it is Java package session 2 package name, class name, get session, like a set session, get session. Okay. Say same program, only session tracking method I'm changing. Same program, whatever you studied previously, same program. Just I'm changing session tracking method. In previous program, what we did, cookie we created. Here what we are doing, session we are creating. That is only. I didn't change anything. Same program. Third program this is. Yesterday, day before yesterday programs you have seen, same program. No change. As it is, books program only. Okay. Next. Here, it should be get. Okay, it should be get. Next. Finish. Now, see, just I'm changing session tracking method only. What are the programs you studied? That type program only. Okay. Are you understanding? Otherwise, if you want, I'll write from the beginning. If you are not understanding means, I'll write from the beginning. Just respond in the chat box. Okay, many people are asking from the beginning. Okay. Okay. From the beginning, I would explain. Okay, right. I'll remove this. See. Okay. I'll write. Now, from the beginning, I'll write. See, the diagram is the books diagram. Now, This is the program, our program. This is our program. This our program. Here we stored in client system. Now we are going to store in server system. This is first cookie program. So this data we stored in client system. We retrieved from server client system. That is your scene. Now we are going to store in server system. We are retrieving from server system. So diagram point of view, these two lines will not be there. Now this data stored here only, server memory only. Okay, server memory stored. This data retrieved. That's it. This is a diagram difference. Cookie program nothing but this data stored in client memory, retrieved from client. Server, this is session tracking, third session tracking nothing but stored in server only, from server only retrieved. Okay. Now, so diagram point of view, only this is the difference. Here, what are the names I am changing? Set cookie, that place set session. Get cookie, that place get session. Now, you observe. HTML program. HTML program, any doubt? First HTML program, any doubt? HTML program, no doubt. Right. When I click on submit button, set is going to be called. Set. Set means set session program is going to call. When I click on set session. Here. Now you observe. Now it is just our package name session 2. Package name session 2. Now here do get method called. Is it required to explain or understood? Understood? No. Same concept. I didn't change programs. Two programs you studied. Now from here onwards, I'll write separate. You observe. First of all, see, whatever books you selected or not, all will be received here. Say in HTML program, here book 1, book 2, book 3 I given. Book 1, book 2, book 3. Okay. Now book 1, book 2, book 3. These all. Book 1, book 2, book 3 in HTML program. Now here string s1 equal to request dot get parameter book 1, request dot get parameter book 2, request dot get parameter book 3. Received. Here received. Okay. After receiving, what we have to do? Previously what we written, this information we stored in client system. This information we have to store in server system. Okay. Now this information we have to store in server system now. Okay. Now here set session program name. Okay. Session 2 package name. These are importing package classes. Now after retrieving, previously what we written cookie c1 equal to new cookie like that. Here you have to create session. HTTP session HS equal to request dot get session. Session created. Okay, session created. These three we have to add like a attribute. Like in a cookie, what we did, cookie is a class. It is a constructor. That is the reason we created object. But HTTP session is an interface. You cannot create object. You cannot use no constructors. Okay, no constructors. That's what set attribute method we have to use here. This name and value we have to pass here. HS dot set attribute name something B1 or book 1, whatever you want you can write. S1 like this only. Three books, second, third. Now it is second book B2, third book B3. It is S2, it is S3. Say in the diagram what is happening is this is not there now. This information stored in server. This information stored in server. This information stored in server. That is only set attribute. Now, book 1, this attribute, second book attribute, third book attribute created. Now, set attribute method I called. It is stored in server. It is stored in server. In this program, get attribute method I'll call. We'll get it. In this program, set attribute. In this program, get attribute. That is only. Now, instead of storing in client system, now we are storing in server system. For storing into server system only, set attribute program, set attribute method. Now, after this, your books are added to cart. This message displayed. Any doubt? Any doubt in this program? All books are retrieved, stored in server and displayed. Okay, clear now? So I didn't change any program. Already 2 times you have studied program. Only session tracking method I'm changing. So if you create cookie object, client side stored. If you create HTTP session, server side stored. Attribute name, whatever you want, you can write. But these attribute names only, again, you have to write in the get session program. Okay. Now get session program. Get session program, you observe here. I'll remove this all. Now, see, complete I removed. Now, see, complete I removed. Now I'll write. See, it is session 2, it is get. When you click on hyperlink, it is going to be called. When you click on hyperlink, it is going to be called. When you click on next hyperlink, this is program is going to be called. Okay. Now, here session tracking method only changed. Now, first we have to create session to get the data. Same HTTP session HS equal to request dot get session. Request, spelling mistake happened. Request dot get session. Now, here we have to retrieve. All we have to retrieve books. Get attribute you have to write. Right. Return type. But get attribute return type will be object format is there. You observe. Get attribute return type is object format. That is a removed. Okay. Get attribute return type is object format will be there. But object to string is downcasting or upcasting. Object to string. Downcasting. Okay. Object to string is downcasting. String to object is upcasting. So if you want to do downcasting, what are the restrictions are there? If you want to do downcasting, yes, compulsory upcasting required, as well as explicit type conversion also required. Okay. So in a set session, here actually your parameter is object. We passed string. That is upcasting. It is upcasting. Here we are going to do downcasting. So here string s1 equal to hs dot get attribute. Attribute name b1. If I write, it is an error. It is an error because here downcasting required. It is downcasting. Explicit type conversion required. So then valid. You observe. Because it returns object assigned to string. Here actually get attribute method returns object. Object myself I'm converting into string, then assign. Okay. Now here same style, string s2 equal to string hs dot get attribute. Attribute name is b2. Same string s3 string hs dot get attribute b3. After this, if it is not equal to null, we have to print. If it is not equal to null, we have to print. Print writer pw equal to response dot get writer. Printing not equal to null, we have to print. Pw dot println. If you want to write, you can HTML code also we can write. See. See here pw dot println. Here HTML code I'll write. HTML body bg color something red text something yellow. Okay. This is HTML code pw dot println h1 underline text selected books. Now after this closing HTML close body close HTML close. After this, in between we have to display. In between we have to display. For displaying, if it is null not equal to null, you have to press print. S1 not equal to null. Then print. Pw dot println S1. After that, line break. Same style 3 times. S2 not equal to null, print. S3 not equal to null, print. This is get session. Now you observe. Right click, run on server, save. Select all saved, save selected. Next, finish. Restart the server. One minute. This program class name also changed. Okay, right. Now here books.html. You observe same program, but session tracking method changed. Now, if I click submit, see your books are added to cart. If I click next, see Java to complete reference set for Java. Now, where this is stored? Is it stored in cookie, browser memory, or server? It is stored in server. It is stored in server. Okay. It is stored in server. Program output is same. Output is same. Okay. This third program, same program 3 times you have seen. Same program 3 times. First one is stored in client system. Second one is appended to URL. This third one is HTTP sessions with cookies. Here by default is cookies. By default is cookies. So I given here HTTP sessions. To maintain session ID, there are 2 ways. First one by using cookies. Second one by using URL rating. This is default. This is default. Okay. So what will be stored in browser memory? What will be stored in browser memory? Books stored or session ID stored? Session ID only stored in browser memory. Okay. Session ID stored in browser memory. With that session ID only, it can recognize. With that session ID only, it can recognize. See here, settings, privacy and security, clear browsing data, delete, clear data. Now, you observe. Refresh. Because session ID is then, with that session ID vanished. Session ID. With that session ID vanished. Okay. Because session ID, if it is matched, comes. Session ID not there. This is third session tracking method. Third session tracking method. New request means new ID created. Here, actually, we didn't apply login logout concept here. That is, after database connectivity, we'll see. Upcasting, downcasting. I explained upcasting, downcasting, two classes I explained in Core Java class. Say, object is a superclass. Object is a superclass. String is a subclass. String is a subclass. Subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, it is called upcasting. It is called upcasting. Superclass object, superclass reference, if you assign to subclass, it is called downcasting. Upcasting always valid, but downcasting, if you want to do, compulsory upcasting required. After that, explicit type conversion also required, then only valid. Okay. Now, what are your doubts? Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Next, default cookie code no need to write in this program. The default is automatically written, because HTTP session tracking method, two ways we can implement. Default method is cookie. Okay. Cookie code we didn't write, but it will take with cookie code only. URL writing not completed. HTTP session with URL writing tomorrow class. Same session, Dinesh Kumar, same session. Otherwise,